I've personally taken more trade setups with this one particular strategy probably than any other strategy out there that I can personally think of that I can identify. And it's called the 20 play. We traded a lot inside of Evolution Traders. It's one of the main things that we're focusing on, identifying in real time and kind of making those adjustments in terms of, risk to reward and making sure that we stay on track. Now, again, this is a strategy that can, that can really pass prop firm evaluations. It can really take you from zero to into a funded account in under 30 days. It can also get you paid out. I have taken multiple payouts using this strategy in my arsenal. I know a lot of other traders inside of Evolution Traders have as well. Let's kind of show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So what I'm looking at here on this particular strategy, whoops, that line's a little crazy, is a short-term change in trend. So we can see here before New York session opens up that we are trading up and below this 20 period moving average. Okay, so it's very, very clear to kind of see that. So again, you're going to see once the market opens up, we were trading below this 20 period moving average. Now, once the market opened up, we immediately shot up. Okay, so this was a trade I know a lot of traders took this morning. It's also a trade that I took this morning. I actually double backed into this trade on momentum. And what does that mean to kind of double back into a trade? Well, when you go into a particular setup and take a particular trade where you have a fixed take profit and a fixed stop loss, and that trade is continuing to go, you can enter back into that trade. Again, a little bit more for the experienced trader. I wouldn't recommend someone who's just starting out to do that, but you can get back in that same move on momentum with, again, your same fixed stop loss and fixed take profit. So I ended up getting 10 points out of this move. Now, again, this candle here went up a lot more than 10 points. This was a 67 point range candle. Now, I know trading off the open is a little bit scary. I've even recommended time and time again for newer traders to just completely sit out of the market for the first, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25, even 30 minutes. Now, again, if that's the case, okay, let's just kind of show you guys what exactly happens if, let's say, we did kind of sit out of the market for the first 15 to 30 minutes. Well, we're kind of waiting to see what trend is developing. And once you see this trend, right? Once you see this visible uptrend, okay, you don't necessarily want to take the first move going back the other way. You want to see it get tested at least one time. Now, for me, again, everyone can be different. I know some traders actually did take this personal 20 play short here, and they took it for a few points and made some cash. Now, again, if you look at the low price on this candle, it was sitting at 20,241, and the next candle opens up and goes to 20,232. So that was a 9-point move, even though when you realistically look at this move, right? Look at this move here. It doesn't look like anything at all. That's the beauty of having a fixed take profit and a fixed stop loss. You're going to limit those losses, but you're also going to capture those small, quick moves. Now, this definitely was not a change in trend. It was just a pullback and a continuation of the existing trend from the open. That's also something that we're kind of discussing inside of Evolution Traders each and every single day, is how to identify these trends in real time, how to stay on the right side of the trends, when to maybe take your trade and walk away for the day, and when not to do anything at all. That's a big problem and a big misconception that a lot of traders have, is they don't know when to walk away and they don't know when it's time to stop. They think that because they have a strategy that hits at over 70% of the time, that you can essentially just sit here and take this, 50 million times a day. It's just not going to work that way. I'm going to be completely honest with you. I'm going to be completely realistic with you. Does this strategy win every single time you take it? Absolutely not. You are going to take losses and you need to get comfortable with taking those losses. However, and there's a big however, if you can come into the market each and every single day, look to identify 2, maybe 3 setups max. Take those trades for better or for worse and walk away, come back again tomorrow and do the same routine over and over again. You're going to have so much more success. You're going to pass so many more evaluations, and you're finally going to start getting those payouts. If you're interested in learning more, because there's a lot more that goes into this system than just identifying this one particular strategy. This one particular strategy coexists with a whole entire system that we're going over each and every single day inside of Evolution Traders with other key levels. to kind of eliminate some of the trades that need to be taken and to kind of continue to take trades on the day. Make sure to give me a thumbs up on this video. Make sure to leave me a comment. Let me know how you guys did. If you guys want to join the free Discord, that link is down in the description box below. That's for all your newbie traders. For anyone just looking to get the kind of feel and overall generalization, I can't even talk, generalization of how I kind of run and work things, you can join the free Discord. If you're a little bit more of an experienced trader and you're looking for just that edge, that little bit of a push, join the gold member section. Let's get on to a one-on-one call, get you into the community, get you going through some of the exercises and worksheets that we have, and let's continue to grow as traders together. I'll see all of you guys on the inside.